Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install investor bookkeeping with Wave Accounting easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Wave Accounting website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once you have entered your details, click Get Started. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the provided link to confirm. After verification, return to the Wave website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, select accounting from the options available. Locate the investor bookkeeping section and click on it. Here, you can set up categories for your investments. Add different types of investments by clicking the Add Investment button. Fill in the details for each investment, including name and type. Save your changes to ensure the investments are recorded. Next, return to the dashboard and navigate to the Transactions tab. In the Transactions section, click on Add Income to log incoming funds. Choose the investment category you created earlier for proper classification. Enter the amount and date of the transaction, then save it. Repeat this process for each income transaction related to your investments. To track expenses, click on Add Expense under the Transactions tab. Select the appropriate category for each expense incurred. Enter the necessary details and save your entries. Continue managing your transactions regularly for accurate bookkeeping. Lastly, review your reports to assess your investment performance. Check the Reports section for detailed insights. That concludes your installation of investor bookkeeping with Wave Accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.